Welcome everyone in a world overflowing with AI tools. Finding a truly versatile and free option can feel impossible. But what if I told you there's a platform called Myninja AI that claims to be the best all-in-one AI agent, a powerful alternative to Chatgpt? Today we're diving deep into Myninja.ai to see if it lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, Myninja AI presents itself as a comprehensive hub for all your AI needs, boasting a wide array of features accessible without a subscription. The website highlights its powerful AI chat capability, which is its core function, allowing you to engage in conversations, get answers, and generate text. But it doesn't stop there. It also promotes tools for image generation, speech-to-text conversion, and even AI vision, which lets you analyze and describe uploaded images. This all-in-one approach is undoubtedly its biggest selling point, aiming to consolidate several AI tasks into a single, streamlined dashboard. However, no platform is perfect. And while the website showcases these features prominently, the actual user experience in terms of speed, output quality, and daily usage limits for the free tier are aspects we can't fully assess without hands-on testing. The site itself is clean and modern, but the true test would be its performance under pressure for complex tasks. The negative side often lies in the details. Free tiers sometimes come with restrictions like limited queries or slower processing speeds, which aren't explicitly detailed on the main landing page. This could be a potential drawback for power users. In conclusion, Myninja AI positions itself as a strong, free, all-in-one contender in the AI space, offering an impressive suite of tools from chat to image creation. Myninja AI offers several tiered annual subscription plans. The standard plan is $16 per month and includes 40 Super Ninja requests, access to 35+ AI models, and 100 daily messages. The Pro plan at $24 per month increases these limits to 80 Super Ninja requests and 200 daily messages, while also adding dedicated editors for code, images, and websites. The Ultra plan for $41 monthly provides 160 Super Ninja requests, a 3M context window, and 500 daily messages. Finally, the top-tier Max plan offers unlimited Super Ninja requests, an infinite intelligent context window, and over 1,000 daily messages, granting access to all available AI models. All plans feature an AI agent with a virtual computer for research and development tasks, with capabilities scaling up through the tiers. Goodbye everyone.